This is going to be a view of the upper thoracic of this cat. What we're looking at is going to be the heart right in the middle here, and we can see the superior vena cava coming up. The branching here you can see is the right brachiocephalic vein and the left brachiocephalic vein. Off of this right brachiocephalic vein, we can see then the right subclavian coming over here and the right external jugular. Coming from the right subclavian vein here, we go out into the arm to the right axillary vein. Follow that down into the arm, and we can follow it into the right brachial vein. Going back for the arterial flow, if we come down here, you can see that this vessel right here is going to be the brachiocephalic trunk coming off of the aorta. And right here, this one is going to be the left subclavian artery coming off of the aorta. Now in the case of the cat, there are only two branches coming from the aorta. Remember, in humans, there are three branches off the aorta. So if we're looking back here, we can see this brachiocephalic trunk is going to split into three different spots. We have on the far side here, the right subclavian artery. Then we have the next one over here is the right common carotid artery. And then we have here the left common carotid artery. So this is three splits, 1, 2, and 3, all coming from the brachiocephalic trunk. This left subclavian will simply run out and turn around into the arm. If you go in the neck, you can see up here and over here, we're going to have our common carotid arteries, the right and the left common carotid arteries running up into the neck. Following the arterial flow over here into the arm, we can see that as we come from this one spot right here, which is going to be right here, the right subclavian artery, it branches out to right here, which is in the armpit region, the axillary region. This is the right axillary artery. And moving down here, when you get out into the arm, or the limb in this case, this red vessel is going to be the right brachial artery, the red vessel right there. We have now changed views and are looking at the abdominal down to the pelvic region. What you can see is this is our kidney kind of orientation. This is the pelvis down in this region. So looking right down the middle, this major blue vessel, this is the inferior vena cava. This one right next to it is the abdominal aorta. You can see here to the kidney, this is going to be the left renal vein. Just below it, there we go, this is the left renal artery. Looking just above it, we do this, we can see that right here, we're going to have the adrenal, so left adrenal vein, and the artery is buried a little bit below right there, so left adrenal artery. Moving down a little bit, these two vessels right here are going to be the left iliolumbar artery and left iliolumbar vein. We can notice at this point that the abdominal aorta is going to branch. It branches to the left external iliac artery, and then down here, this is the left internal iliac artery. You can see over here, this is the right external iliac artery and the right internal iliac artery. Now the venous flow, the inferior vena cava, this is going to be the left common iliac vein. The left common iliac vein is going to split right here to the left external iliac vein. And this dives deep down. Unfortunately, the dye didn't take very well. This is the left internal iliac vein. As we follow down into the leg, we can notice that the external iliacs, both the artery and the vein, are come down and they'll become the left femoral artery and the left femoral vein. Moving back up into the abdominal cavity, we can see this vessel right here, which is running into the large intestines. This vessel that comes off of the abdominal aorta is the inferior mesenteric artery. So inferior mesenteric artery.